Samsung next generation of foldable display are official. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news from the Samsung world, and as of now we have seen Samsung is the undisputed leader in the foldable devices. And as of right now we have two forms of foldable devices in the market, the clamshell, the Z Flip device and the Z Fold 3 device. So the question arises, what next foldable tech we can expect from the company? Well, today Samsung Display has unveiled a range of new OLED panel options, giving us a glimpse of what to expect from the company in the future. Today, Display Week 2021 online exhibition is taking place where Samsung unveiled its new display panel. The first one is the slidable display, which is kind of a rollable display you can say, and here is the device which Samsung showcased. You probably know that the rollable smartphones are the next big thing, which are better than the foldables and much durable. These devices lets you extend the screen size as a part of the display is rolled up in the body of the phone and can extend the screen when you need it. It's a futuristic concept, and Oppo is the first company which has showcased a rollable phone, but it is still at the concept stage, and I think Samsung could be the first company which may launch the rollable device probably next year. And like that picture, you may be looking alike the concept which the Samsung has provided. The second display panel which it showcased is for the tablets. It's a massive 17-inch foldable panel, and Samsung Display says that it is offering a 4x3 tablet screen when folded and a large monitor when unfolded. Samsung tablets are one of the best tablets in the Android world, and if Samsung bringing this in the market, then it will corner the tablet market as it has done with the foldable smartphone. Next, they have unveiled the S Fold or Z Fold folding panel. When folded twice, the device can be used as a conventional smartphone, and when it is unfolded, it reaches a maximum size of 7.2 inches. There is also a thick bezels on the left hand side when unfolded, hosting the cameras and an area through which you can hold the device. This is a great concept, but it will have a crease on two hinges, which may bring some problem. Anyhow, finally Samsung has also offered a glimpse of its under-display camera tech inside a concept notebook, which has given Samsung the leverage to have an edge-to-edge panel. The company said that this tech is enabling by increasing the transparency of the screen area where the camera is placed. It's a very safe bet to include an under-display camera because generally the cameras in the laptop are having a low quality images and videos. Interestingly, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is already coming with the under-display camera as per the latest leak, so there is no time left where we can check out whether this technology is going to be ready or not. So, in any event, all of these designs are interesting ideas or could perhaps give us a hint what to expect from Samsung in 2021 and beyond. So guys, what do you think about this new Samsung display? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it for daily tech video. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.